In front of me is Honor Magic V3, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by launching settings and hitting Bluetooth here. Then tap on this switcher if it's not already on and wait for available devices to show up. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Select pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!